everyone, it's Abby. Welcome to my coloring show. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Today we will learn colors. But first I'll tell you a story. Every morning the sun rises and sends rays to the earth. The rays are divided into colors. 3 primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. There are also additional colors. For example, if you mix red and yellow colors, you get an orange color. If you mix yellow and blue colors, you get a green color. If you mix red and blue colors, you get a purple color. Let's start with the red color.
Wow, wow, wow! I'm so excited to be here. But who am I?
Hello, my dear.
Who is this? Who is there?
It's me, Abby.
Hello, Abby. Could you help me? I'm completely colorless. Please color me.
For sure.
Wait a minute. Oh, you chose red color for me. I like it. I'm red. That's who I am. Thanks, Abby.
You are welcome.
But if only I could find red ones like me. Hello, little tomato. You are red too. Now you're just like me. You are red. Tomatoes are so delicious. Hi, chili pepper. You will be red too. Like me. Be careful, kids. The peppers taste hot. Hey, watermelon. And you will be red, like all of us. Watermelon is so yummy.
Now let's learn the marvelous orange.
Hey, I'm so thrilled to join you today. But hold on, who am I?
Hello, my friend.
Who's that? Who's talking?
It's me, Abby.
Hi, Abby. Take a look at me. I'm feeling a bit bland. Can you color me, please?
Sure.
Wait a second. Oh, you've chosen the orange color for me. Fantastic. Thanks, Abby. What else is orange like me?
We'll see right now.
Wow, hey, tangerine. You will be orange, like me. Hello, carrot. Time to become orange like me. Carrots are crunchy and good for your eyes. Hi, pumpkin. And you will be orange, like all of us. Pumpkins make the best pies.
Time to learn the brilliance of yellow.
Hey, everyone! I'm beaming with excitement to be here. But wait, who am I? I don't know.
Greetings, radiant friend.
Who's speaking? Who's that?
It's me, Abby.
Hi, Abby. Can you do me a favor? Take a glance at me. I'm feeling a bit dull. Could you color me?
Of course.
Hold on! Oh, you've picked the yellow color for me. Wonderful! I'm yellow! Yippee! Thanks, Abby! Now I'd like to find more yellows like me. Hello, the sun! Time to shine in yellow just like me. Sun brings warmth and joy. Hey, lemon! You're going to be yellow too, just like us. Well, banana! Today we will be yellow.
Now let's explore the world of green.
Hello everyone. I'm absolutely thrilled to be here. But who am I?
Hello, my friend.
Hello, who's talking?
It's Abby.
Hey, Abby. Can you assist me? Take a look at me. I'm feeling a bit plain. Could you add some color?
Certainly.
Wait just a sec. Oh, you've gone for the green color. Fantastic. I'm green. I like it. Thank you, Abby. Okay, but I feel a little lonely. Are anyone else green? Hi, little apple. You're going to be green, just like me. Apples are so delicious. Hi, broccoli. You will be green too. Like us. Hello, Froggy. It's your turn to be green, just like me. Frogs are fantastic hoppers.
Let's delve into the soothing world of blue.
Hey, I'm so happy to be here. Hello, Abby. Where are you?
Hello, companion.
Take a look at me. I'm feeling a bit colorless. Could you add some blue?
Sure.
Wonderful! I'm blue. Thanks, Abby. Now let's color our friends. Hi, Balloon. You're going to be blue, just like me. Hello, Blueberry. Time to become blue like me. Blueberries are good for the eyes. Hello, whale! It's your turn to be blue too, just like us. Whales are magnificent creatures of the deep.
And finally, let's explore the magic of purple.
Hey there! I'm enchanted to be here with you.
Hello, magical friend.
Hi, Abby! Can you help me out? I'm feeling a bit ordinary. Can you add some purple magic?
Absolutely.
Fantastic! I'm purple. What else are purple? Hello, great! It's your turn to be purple, just like me. Grape is so yummy. Hi, onion. You're going to be purple too, just like us. Hey, eggplant. You're going to be purple too, like all of us.
Well, kids, today we learned about the colors. Until then, keep coloring with us. See you soon!